In this video, we will write a Java program to print all the prime numbers between 2 to n. So if you have not watched the previous video about the prime number, then please watch it, because in this video, I am going to use the same code. First, let's open the existing code which I wrote as part of the previous video. Okay, so here is the code. Now let's create a new class, and the class name, let's say prime numbers. Class created. Let's add the main method. Here, what is the end result? So end result is like we will give the starting number and the ending number, and it will print all the prime numbers between that range, and will print the count of the prime numbers also. Let's create two variables like start index and end index. So here I'm planning to get the prime numbers from 0 to 100. I know 0 and 1 are not the prime numbers. I'm just including, you can ignore also. Create the boolean variable name, let's say is prime, and initialize with false. Now I'm going to use the core logic from the prime number class code. So here is the code. Let's copy this code. Before paste, let's create a while loop with a simple condition like the end index is greater than or equal to start index. So once the start index crossed the end index, then it will not iterate this loop. Now inside this while loop, let's add the copied code. So here start index will give the number, so replace n with the start index. And at the end, let's increase the start index by 1. So I hope this code is clear for you. Let's run and see it is printing the prime numbers or not. See, it is working and printing the details like the number is prime or not. Now let's say I want to change the end index value. So let's read the end index value using this scanner. See, that's it. Let's run and see it is working or not. Here, let's choose 10. See, it is printing only 10 numbers detail. Now, let's read the start index also from the scanner. See, it is simple. Let's try now. So here, starting index, let's say 50, and the ending index, let's say 80. See, it is working and printing numbers between 50 to 80. Now, let's say at the end, just give me the count of prime numbers. So let's create a new variable, and the variable name, let's say total primes. Increase the total primes inside this if condition. And at the end, just print the number of primes with a simple message. Let's run and see it is working or not. See, it is working. Here, it is printing all the numbers, whether the number is prime number or not. So let's say I just want to print only prime numbers. Then just comment this else block. Let's try now. See, everything is working as expected. Let's quickly review whatever we added for this program. I hope you learned something from this video. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.